to the Poplar Cottage. This is a cute little spot in Ellensburg that just came on the market kind of suddenly, and we
jumped on it.
Kathy was excited about it and jumped on it and wanted to come check it out. So we ended up buying it, and so we thought we'd give you guys a quick tour.
Yeah. So this house was built in 1940, at least that is the public record. I suspect it's quite a bit older and that it was maybe added on to in 1940. But either way, it has a little bit of that old house charm and it is just super cute.
Yeah, it's kind of darling in a way that those small cottagey, shake-sided, steep-roofed little places can be.
That's a perfect word, darling. It's 575 square feet, so it is small. It does have one bedroom and a bathroom, a living room and a kitchen, and that's it.
Yeah, so we're here in the living room.
Yeah.
The bedroom is right over here through this doorway. The kitchen is right over there through that doorway, and then the bathroom is actually all the way through the kitchen in the back corner. So very small, efficient footprint.
Compact, yeah.
We are gonna definitely do some renovations in here. It's in need of a little bit of love, and so Kathy has a great design for how we can open up the floor plan just a little bit, close off the floor plan in other places, and gain some efficiency. And so we're gonna be, I'm sure posting about those design ideas, and as we get ready to do this renovation, we'll be letting you guys know a lot more about that.
You know, and one thing I really loved about this property is actually how small it is. At 575 square feet, it's a really efficient one bedroom, so we get the rent for a one bedroom, but we also have kind of a small space to renovate. It's cute, it's quaint, and that's it. You know, there's not a lot of extra space that we have to redo, so.
Yeah, you're talking about like the porch house was almost 2,000 square feet of house that we touched. You know, every square foot of that got some kind of paint or
usually multiple touches for different things.
So this being under 600 square feet is really exciting because we know we can just get in here and do this project really quickly and efficiently, and it's going to turn out so awesome. So we're really excited about that.
And another thing that attracted us to this house is that our city has a law that you can add an ADU on every property. So we are able to add a second unit on this property that would be up to 500 square feet. So we could kind of have a cute little cottage rental, which is really attractive to us.
Ever since we lived in the cottage in Seattle, we've always been charmed by this like really tiny house, small cottage style living. And so we've always been thinking about a way that maybe we could bring that idea with us in Ellensburg. And so this seems like a perfect spot to try to develop on that. And
yeah, it totally does. It's going to be two separate units that have no shared walls. They each have their own outdoor space, but then they're also going to get to share kind of a quaint communal space. And I just think that that is a really inspiring, really beautiful way to live. We're calling this one the Poplar Cottage, and we, especially me, but I think we are both super excited to get going on this project.
Hope you guys like it.